without a word. In every color your soul is heard, a tumbler that tells your story true. Every detail made just for you. Your name, your photo, your design, shining bright, one of a kind. It's more than steel, it's who you are. A little starlight in a jar, designed to be you, bold and real, with passion, with pride, with flawless feel. Every sip says, this is me. Lucia creates your legacy, made to last, made with heart, not just a drink, it's modern art. Your life, your vibe, your truth in view, it's beauty that's built to be you. This isn't plastic, it's power and grace, with prints that time can't erase. A work of love in every line, handcrafted, bold and by design. Your choices speak in vibrant tone, no one else can wear your throne. So raise your cup and feel the thrill of living loud and living still. Designed to be you, bold and real, with passion, with pride, with flawless feel. Every sip says, this is me. Lucia creates